Have you accidentally disabled an app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 and can't find it anymore? Don't worry, you don't need to download it again. Disabled apps remain on your phone and can be restored in just a few taps through the settings menu. Follow the steps below to enable any disabled app. Begin by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S26 and opening the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps, then tap it to access the complete list of installed applications. On the Apps page, tap the filter or sort icon located near the top of the screen. Depending on your One UI version, this option may also appear as your apps. When the filter menu opens, turn on Show Disabled Apps, then tap OK or Apply to save the change. The app list will now include applications that have been disabled. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the app you want to restore. Tap the app once to open its information page. Inside the app info screen, you'll find several options related to the selected app, including storage, permissions, notifications, and battery usage. At the bottom of the page, tap the Enable button. The app will immediately become active and return to your app drawer. After enabling the app, you can launch it normally from the home screen, app drawer, or by searching for its name. If the app was disabled by mistake, all of its previous data and settings should still be available unless they were manually deleted. If you don't see the app in the disabled list, double-check that the filter is enabled. Also, if the Enable button is unavailable, the app may already be active or restricted by administrator settings on the device. That's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly restore disabled apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 and continue using them without reinstalling or reconfiguring the app.